my knees were horribly inflamed. Horribly. And so I came here. She referred me to Dr. Martini. My name is Crystal Simone. I am 64 years old, and I am a patient of Dr. Martini. What brought me to the Vascular Institute of Michigan was Dr. Sabarka, who referred me here. My knees were horribly inflamed. Horribly. And so I came here. She referred me to Dr. Martini. I had my GAE procedure. The first knee, I had it about 4 weeks ago. And then I had the left knee done less than 2 weeks after that. Before I had this GAE procedure, my pain level was at a 10. And I was crying at times. It was so bad. I couldn't hardly get up out of the chair. I could not get on my knees at all. I could not get out of the bathtub or into the bathtub. I had to use a walk-in shower. And I could not hardly get into the car or the Jeep. The pain of walking, I could not take that. There was also the pain of riding in a car or sitting at a very long time with my legs down. On the procedure day, I was a little nervous but happy, and the procedure was pretty painless. The staff here is absolutely amazing. They're very helpful, very kind. They went out of their way to make sure I was comfortable. But I could not have asked for better staff here. Dr. Martini is amazing. He has a wonderful bedside manner. He understands everything that you're telling him, and he listens. Since I've had this procedure, I have been able to walk further. I've been able to stand, actually, in one place for a longer time. I can sit, I can drive for long periods of time, and I do not have pain. It's gone. If I had to rate the pain on my knees, I would rate it probably a 3 at this point, because it hasn't been quite 2 weeks since the last one, and I believe that will go down further. I would recommend the GAE procedure to all my friends, and even those who I don't know that are having trouble with their knees. I would absolutely recommend them to come to Dr. Martini. Thank you very much, Dr. Martini. You are amazing, and you know what you're doing, and you do it well. And it has turned out terrific. This is a wonderful place to come to, and if I know anybody, or if it happens if I happen to have it done again in the far future, if I have a problem, I will definitely come back. Absolutely. Okay, going to my Jeep now. I could not get into this without a milk crate before. See that? That was the hardest part.